Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Banstead in Surrey and really excited to show you around a fantastic endless pool with some firsts for us here at Baker's. So after meeting these clients and understanding their requirements, we originally started with actually two buildings. They wanted an endless pool room and a gym, but because of cost and space, we ended up trying to compact that into one. And I'm really pleased with this solution. We've absolutely maxed out our 30 square meters of internal space. This is a 6.3 by 4.8 building overall, internally bang on. Fantastic 14 by 7 endless pool installed by our good friends at Home Counties Pools and Tubs, and that really works well. Half set in the ground, really lovely experience, and you can see there is no winder handle or cover here. That's all because that is set as their hydraulic cover, set all in the workings beyond there. Then actually for gym equipment, we've done two. They're going to have 3 or 4 pieces in here. We designed it so there's a space for gym equipment there and get your anger out. This here is a pool TV and mirror. So what you're seeing me there is actually a TV as well with a bike. We've got a lot of space here, and then at least 2 bits of equipment could go there. But actually, the client's enjoying this for yoga and stretching after the swim. You can see this lovely height in here. We're 2 meters away from the boundary, and therefore we've got the extra height. Lovely light kind of powder blue that we've got in here with the wash light and then a white ceiling. Really does make the building feel beautifully light, airy, and then having that extra height is great for the gym. If I come around the side, you can kind of see that sloping element that we have. So it's 2.5 to 3 meters, nice big window in the side. It's a really beautiful project. Now, the other bit of this project that's already existed is a fantastic converted garage. That's a full-blown bar. It's got a pool table in there, and it's a real place to enjoy. And the clients wanted a toilet in there, and this section that we've joined on is that toilet section here. But the problem is plumbing was so cost prohibitive, probably around 30 grand to get the drainage out. So this is all non-plumbed in solutions. This is a great option, and we've never fitted this type of basin before. The cassette toilet we have, so that is like a camping toilet. It's an electric flush on the top. From the outside at the back, you fill it up with the water, flush it into the cassette at the bottom, take it away and empty it. This is the first, which is a hot and cold water solution from Custom Basins. You come in with the clean water, put that in there, it goes through the electric heat pump there, and you get hot water mixer tap from there into the waste that you then take away. And the very cool thing is we've done this as a Jack and Jill, so actually you can go through the door into the pool room, and this is a really nice way of integrating the toilet with the pool, the gym, and then also the outside space. I think it's a really beautiful building. So essentially it's a bespoke building, but with our kite French doors in there. Could have gone bifold or inline sliding, but of course there is a point of pricing here, and that does elevate the cost. But this is a really nice integration. Also having that all the glass to the front just works really nicely. In the anthracite, V200 on this, because of the big panels, we prefer that. And with that extra height, it looks really good. The client's actually gone and painted the doors and windows and everything on that to match it in, and I think it's a beautiful looking project. So there you go, that's an endless pool room and gym space, 30 square meters. You can easily get four pieces of apparatus, 2 there, 1 as you can see there, and the bike. I just think it works really nicely, and a project I'm really proud of. Working with Home Counties Pools, Tom Manville doing all the groundworks here, and it's a project we're now fully completed and the clients using and enjoying. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and if you have any questions, please do contact us. Thank you for watching.